back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Just in time for halfway to Halloween, on the stop of April, Netflix will launch a spooky new movie known as Things Heard and Seen. The Haunted Residence supernatural mystery is primarily based totally on all things cease to appear, a unique via way of means of Elizabeth Brundage. Judging from the trailer, it was given all of the makings of a chilling paranormal hoodwit, along with a hauntingly stunning settling, an outstanding cast, and an interesting storyline. Let's take a more in-depth study of what Things Heard and Seen is about, who's in it, the trailer, and when we can begin streaming it. The simplest description on Netflix reads, a younger female discovers that each her husband and their new domestic harbor sinister secrets techniques when they go away Manhattan for a small city life. Claire and her husband George flow to the tiny hamlet of Chuzen in New York while George takes a process coaching in small Hudson Valley College. It's an outstanding possibility for him, however, Claire did not want to depart the large town and feels remoted by herself, which is a fictional city and will function as an uplifting call for city in a glam movie. However, it has quite doubtful sense for this one. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. With a lot of time on her hands, Claire receives to recognize her new residence in detail as she attempts to make it domestic. That's why she discovers now no longer simplest does it have secrets and techniques, however so does her husband. Or it's all in her head. Watch Things Heard Unseen on Netflix on April 29th. 2021 goes to be a hell of hectic 12 months for films on Netflix, so lots that we have already discovered that the original horror mystery Things Heard and Seen is coming to Netflix on stop of April. We are maintaining music of the entirety you want to recognize about Things Heard and Seen along with the plot, forged trailer and Netflix launch date. Things Heard and Seen is an upcoming Netflix original horror mystery directed via way of means of Shari Springer Berman and Robert Pulcini. The function is primarily based totally on the novel All Things Cease to Appear via way of means of creator Elizabeth Brundage and became tailored right into a screenplay via way of means of Shari Springer Berman and Robert Pulcini. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.